We're done. I'm very pleased to be a partner in this very important project to extend the cancer screening programs in Slovenia. As Dr. Ivan has explained, I represent Erasmus Medical Center in Rotterdam, the Netherlands. Erasmus Medical Center research focuses on performing large clinical studies for new screening interventions, as well as decision modeling to optimize the balance between the harms and benefits of screening. As part of this IXIS project, Erasmus MC will work with IR and stakeholders in Slovenia to use this expertise in the Slovenian context. Erasmus Medical Center was responsible for the two largest European randomized controlled trials investigating the effectiveness of prostate and lung cancer screening, respectively. Currently, Erasmus Medical Center leads the 4 in the Long Run study, which is a high-quality implementation study to establish lung cancer screening strategies that are effective, affordable, acceptable to the population, and cost-effective. As part of this IXIS project, Erasmus MC will leverage the lessons learned in these studies to inform implementation of prostate and lung cancer screening in Slovenia. Furthermore, Erasmus Medical Center will perform decision modeling to help determine the optimal screening strategy and help plan resources for the implementation of different cancer screening programs in Slovenia. This will aid Slovenian policymakers in preparation and resource allocation for these programs to ensure program success. An important aspect of this project is that we will not just perform the analysis, but we will work with the stakeholders in Slovenia to build capacity in decision modeling. And as part of this capacity building, a selection of local researchers and policymakers will be trained in developing, applying, and interpreting decision modeling for health interventions.